One of the things over the years that the customers talk about is the simplicity and the reliability of the Gleaner combine to get the job done. So the uptime and the reliability of a combine out there is very essential because they're out there gathering a crop, and the window of opportunity can be very narrow because of weather and different conditions.
There's a lot of ifs when you farm. It's if the rain will come, if the crops are going to produce. The last if that I want our operators to ask is if the combine is going to perform and if I can rely on that performance.
How can we keep it as simple as possible, reliable as possible, as easy to diagnose as possible, and again, just be able to keep the wheels turning.
The first thing that most people associate with reliability, and that's mechanical reliability. Because we use a lot of belts and straight through shafts to be able to transfer power, we eliminate the need for a lot of gearboxes or hydraulic drives that can introduce complexity simply by reducing the amount of components on the machine because of the natural flow processor. We reduce that chance for failure and increase the reliability of the machine.
So simplicity is the key. We focus on that in all of our new designs, and then we focus on our validation, rigorous field testing, and customer input. The simple design leads to a more reliable machine for the customer.
Reliability is very important. What we like about the Gleaner is their simplicity, their ease of operation, their ease of work to work on.
What I found out about this combine over the previous combines I've owned, that there are a lot less moving parts, which I thought was a lot less on the competitor, but there's less parts. It's a lot easier access to get to belt adjustments. This is just an all-around awesome product.
The Gleaner's been very reliable for us over the years. It's very important to be easy to work on and not have to chase specialized parts and maybe wait in a week or so for some of the stuff to come in. For the most part, they're standard bolts on the combine, not metric or anything, and the bearings are all just the simple flanges and a bearing and lock collar to keep those in place.
They're overall a very simple machine, so the complexity is not an issue as far as reliability goes.
The one thing that a lot of folks kind of miss in reliability is settings as well. An operator, a customer needs to know that they can go out, set the machine, and reliably know that it's going to be able to get the performance that they need and the result, the bin sample, the product. And the beauty of the Gleaner combine is that the settings are reliable enough to where they can go out and set the machine, make adjustments in the field, and they can rely that the machines, or know that the machine is going to perform or react the way it's supposed to.
I've thought about changing colors, but every time I think about it, I know these combines. I rely on these combines. They pay my bills. I think we're just going to stay with it and carry on the family tradition.
So for the next 100 years here at Gleaner, we want to continue to develop that product that is very reliable for the customer and keep to our true values that have led us this far through the first 100 years. And reliability is one of the key items in that.
Our number one focus is reliability. We always want to make sure that the machine is running for the farmer and he has the maximum uptime.
You know, the Gleaner combine is like none other. It's not only lighter and designed differently so that it can harvest differently, but it's also got inherent to its DNA great reliability and simplicity. Easy to operate, easy to repair, easy to maintain, low operating costs. You package all that together, there's no question the S9 is the best Gleaner we've ever built, and we're not done yet.